Welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the new personal list feature in Clickup to create private tasks. Personal lists are super handy when you want to keep certain tasks separate from your team or just manage your own work without cluttering shared spaces. So, yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your Clickup Workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the left sidebar and look for the Personal Lists section. If you haven't used it before, Clickup may show a small prompt to create your first personal list. Click to create a new personal list and give it a name that makes sense for your private tasks. This could be something like personal to-dos, side projects, or daily tasks. Once the list is created, it only appears to you, so anything you add here stays private unless you decide to share it later. Now, to add tasks, simply click the Add Task button inside your personal list. You can type in the task name, add details, set a due date, or even assign tags for organization. Because it's your personal list, you don't need to assign anyone else. These tasks are yours alone. You can also use subtasks, checklists, and custom fields inside your personal list, just like any other Clickup list. This makes it easy to manage personal projects with the same tools you use for team tasks. You can even drag and drop tasks to reorder them or organize them by priority. Another tip is to use different views like list, board, or calendar to see your private tasks in the way that works best for you. Calendar view is especially handy for planning your day or week without mixing private tasks with team projects. Finally, remember that personal lists are flexible. You can create multiple lists for different areas of your personal work and keep them completely private until you decide otherwise. This is perfect for managing side projects, learning goals, or any tasks you don't want to share with your team. And that's it. Using the new personal list feature in Clickup is simple, keeps your private tasks organized, and lets you separate personal work from team tasks. So, yeah, hope this helped, and thanks for watching.